Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. And as you see here, that button here, and that one, and that red one, those ones, they call it continuation button, like here, how it happened here before. So now I think we are going to go upward, my friend. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So, without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Again, as you see, guys, here what we got, the weekly candle, it's finished here and it finished as an engulfing pattern. And that one, it indicates that also we are going up. And as you see here, that pattern here, and that one, and that red one, those ones, they call it continuation pattern, like here, how it happened here before. So now I think we are going to go upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. I think now we are going up in that, my friend. I show you before all the levels as we put. So if you haven't watched our previous video, go and watch it. We just updated few hours now. So my friend, also now we are going here to the 29,691 here. Then after that, maybe it's going to be another correction to here to touch that level here again. Then after that, it's going to go upward. The upper, I think, that's my personal analysis, my friend. It's not a investment advice. A personal analysis, it's telling me also we are going till here, till 89,694. That's my target. But me, I'm going to sell some here at that level where we used to be before. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So let's go into the daily to show you more, my friend. What is it there? Here we are, my friend, in the daily. And before we analyze for you the daily, I want to tell you a disclaimer, my friend. Down below, there is some fake people. They came with fake accounts. They started commenting. They try to catch you or bring you to their social platform like Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever. Don't go there. Also, if you want our social media, is it in the description of this video. You can join us in anything you want and you can talk to us. Also, we don't got any relation to those people, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let's continue more. So as you see, my friend, here the daily candle, it's finished red like that. I told it's going to drop a little bit till here maybe. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. I think the picture is too clear to you, my friend. And I'll show you before in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, go back. We got here a divergence, my friend, here and here. From here, the peak of that candle till that one. And from here till that one. We got here a divergence, my friend. But till now, also we hasn't sure yet. Maybe it's going to drop to touch the lower of the trend line here. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So, let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend. For the picture to be more clear to us. As you see here, my friend, our indicator, what it giving us, it give us here a peak, as you see it. So now, it need to come to touch that long-term trend, as we been following that one, the upper one, that white one. Then after that, it needs to go upward to break for us the previous high. Is it here? So when it's going to come like that here, and the candle, it needs to close on the one above that level here. That means us we are going to the overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, that one, it started getting green, and I think it will go until here to the overbought area, my friend. So be aware of those things, my friend. If you buy from them from 17k, now you are in very nice profit, my friend. because we are in 24k now. And as I told you before, that level here of 24k, it's still holding, my friend. So you need to be aware of it. Need to wait until the price break it, because as you see the previous candle here, it's been very big. That's how they break it down. Till now, as we still there, my friend. And I want to show you something else, my friend. Let me zoom it out like that for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, the target of us is going to be here. That blue one here, that one. That one is 200 moving average. So that way, me I told you, is going to go up or till here, till that level. So the target of us is going to be here at that previous zone. So exactly what I told you me before, that yellow line. And after that, it's going to make another correction to touch that long-term trend, that one here. By the way, the video before the previous one, I show you all those things, how I draw it. Now our view is going to come to there and it's going to make a retracement here again. Then after that, it's going to go another up, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. And another thing, let me show it to you here. If we bring the Fibo from here, let me show it to you. From that one till here. And we calculate and to see where is the levels. So let's do it together. Let's bring it like that. As you see it, my friend. Now let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, the level of 61 and 50 is it here exactly in that zone here. So it's likely is going to touch it here. Maybe it's going to break tail here. Then after that, that retracement is going to happen again. Then after that, it's going to go upward, my friend. That just analyzes, my friend. If you want the Wyckoff analysis and those things, that's how they use it. They're using only just that Fibonacci retracement. So everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into lower time frames to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in the 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, if you remember in the previous video, what did I told you here? What did I told you here? I told you you got here a double top or a M. And it's being broken now. So to calculate on the target, it just came here to here. And you make it the same. Target is going to be here in the lower of that candle here. So over here is going to be the target to that retracement. Maybe it's going to fall down till here. That's just one scenario. But another one, also we got here a level here. Maybe from that level here, it will going up because as you know, as support when it's getting broke, it's become a resistance, my friend. So be aware of those things, my friend. Let me delete those ones for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, here what you got here in that zone. Here, it might that one is going to become a support now, my friend. So be aware of those things, my friend. Maybe that one is going to drive it upward because till now, as you see it, as I told you, the target is going to be lower here. Everything is too clear, my friend. And as you see in the previous videos, what else we said, we got here the triangle, my friend. That one and that one in the top. Till now, we haven't broke it here up or down. So as you see here, what the market doing, maybe now it's going to fall down to touch it here. Then after that, it will go up or then break it up. Or maybe it's going to fall down and break it down. You never know what's going to happen, my friend. But till now, us we still with it and we are following what the market doing to us. So if you are new and you are not subscriber, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn to analyze like us, down below in the first comment, my friend, there is a 85% coupon link to our highly recommended course. The course is hosted in Udemy. The course in Udemy it costs $200, but if you're using the coupon link down, it's going to cost you only $13, my friend. It's the price of a cup of coffee. If you don't mind, my friend, the course is more than 8 hours and it's going to teach you everything about technical analysis, how to draw supply and demand, how to draw support and resistance, how to read candlesticks, indicators, everything, the pattern, all those things they are in that course, my friend. And also we put it by that cheaper price like that, just for everyone to learn, my friend. Everything is too clear. But my friend, if you don't want to learn technical analysis and the headache, and you just want to invest some money in the Bitcoin, next to it, my friend, there is a 85% coupon link to our Bitcoin investing course. That course is going to teach you everything, my friend, how to invest your money in the crypto. It's going to take you step by step from scratch till you're going to be pro. It's going to teach you how to open a brokerage account, how to deposit money, how to withdraw money, how to buy, how to sell. And that will make that course unique, my friend, because that course is teaching you how to sell the proper way. Because that majority of the time, some people, they buy from here, then they sell here, but they haven't catch all the rest. That course is going to teach you how to catch all that rest with zero risk, my friend, because you taking out your capital, everything in that course, my friend. If you want to learn from professional people, that the job of them, my friend, not fibs, not lies. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. And before we go into our indicators, my friend, before I show you also, we got here a divergence here and here. I told you that one is going to drive it, and that's what happened. So my view is going to fall down till here, till that zone here. So be aware of those things, my friend. So let's see our indicator, what he's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, our indicator, there is nothing new happening. It's still here at the overbought, and we still have here that trend line I told you before, like that. So now, So now my view to it, that one is going to fall down to touch that one again. Then after that, maybe it's going to go upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So that's it for the 4 hour, my friend. Let's go into lower time frames to show you if there is any signal to enter now or no. So let's go in there, my friend, to see what is it there. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, as you see here, what the market tried to give us here. If you try to connect those dots here, those ones, like that, and you bring another one here, down, like that. So it try to give us a triangle, my friend. And the triangle, it need to fall down here and to touch here. That zone, as we put it before, the one with yellow, the one, at 24,067, my friend. As we said from there, then after that, it's going to go upward, my friend. So the same thing here, those ones they given us. Let me tell those ones for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, here, it showed the market a rejection here in that zone. But I think it's going to fall down till here, till that level here, that yellow one. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. If you enter the target of you, it needs to be up here, at the top here, at that level. So let me show it to you. At that level here, that one here, you came to that zone here, and that zone here, and you draw a square like that. You try to connect in all of them together like that. So it's going to be the target of you there, my friend, here, exactly in that place, here, at that level. If you enter from here, stop loss of you put it down here, my friend, here, down in that previous candle, that one, as you see it. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me measure it for you. If you enter from here, from that level here, till here, you're going to make 3.34%, my friend. And that one is a nice profit, depending on your capital, how much is it. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's show you our indicator, what it's saying at 30 minutes, if there is a signal or no. Here we are, my friend. Our indicator is showing now us at the oversold area. So maybe now is the right time for you to enter, my friend. Or you waited to fall down again till here, then you enter. Or you put another thing, you put another from here, you enter with the market, and you put a pending order here, down, and the stop loss of you, it needs to be lower than those ones here, my friend. Lower than that one, that peak, and that peak, my friend. So for the picture to be more clear to you, because as I showed you before, if you bring that peak here, and that peak here, and you draw a trend line like that, let's draw it together to see what's going to happen, like that. So it might, that one is going to fall down till here, but maybe from here it will go in upward. So that's when I told you can enter one order now, and you put a pending order here at 24,067, my friend. And the stop loss of you, it needs to be lower than that one here. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's another signal from us, like how we give you before to enter from here and you take profit here. We give you to enter from lower here and we told you to take profit here. And now we tell you, my friend, to enter another long from here. Take profit is going to be upper here. In the future, when it's going to reach to it, my friend, the Bitcoin it will still going upward, my friend, till here, till that level here. So let me show it to you. That level here of 25,299, my friend. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. If you want our free signals, just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. And you can even join us in Telegram. So also when we put in a video and we put it for you there, you're going to get it straight away, my friend, without delay, without nothing. But even here, because some people, they complaining to me, they told me the notification doesn't come to them, even if you turn all. Because because us, we are dealing with crypto, and crypto, YouTube doesn't recommend it to other people. So as I told you, give that video a thumbs up, my friend, to help us to boost that channel more and more and more. Because a lot of scams, they don't got any relation to trading. They just making fake videos. And majority of them, they just want to scam you. That way also we started that channel, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you in another video. Bye for now, my friend.